hole in the boat. Open it up. It's about 2 foot by 4 foot. Crewing for us today. Bridge is going up. We're going through. Industrial lock. This is the pile driver. Okay, bud. Go ahead, pile driver. All right, you missed all that. We're all tied up here in the water lines on the wall. That's where we're coming up to. Deep in here, that's our wind direction, our engine controls, and our steering controls.
Yeah, Captain, you can start making your way to the forward bay. I need 2 men head of the barge. Watch out for that long dive.
Engaged from the bottom is a boat, or a commercial boat in the river. Navigational software here, and Alright, so this is the mighty Mississippi River, and she's up pretty high because all the out here, there's a lot of boats on the river today. Put us in with something. The canal out of the river. And then here's the gate behind us. So now they'll start pumping it through. And we'll drop down from the river on my upper level onto this wall. And the lock chamber right there. And they got it cracked down. Same thing in the front. This stuff, you can use it on everything now. This is some leftover. And it was probably 400 ton or more. Okay. Right behind the tugboat. Now how low we are. We got her. Spud pole cable.